From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence, we rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF, when the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town, 2028 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From Accra's Golden Dawn to London City Gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Where would I be? Yes, of course. And the pay wouldn't name the story in the said yet. So wouldn't name the story now. Kao wanted to massy. And Kao can the over canon. The beginning saying, Uncle Poy, you be the amopa. I know paper men come for BWF solicitors and farmer. And the people got us something to say. But what the answer will be general now, so no one so to me, you can't walk it. You're called by Kobe. You didn't know where you won't lie. Oh, and the people, but this over here, chill quite our 4th floor and then house. 4th floor and then house, 214-218 Tottenham High Road. Nah, but my dinner dear postcode now, but my dinner locate here. Your postcode N15 4NP. N15 4NP. And I saw to me a friend, yani office line and pay up. I was 020 84937340 020 84937340. Emergency line is 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Oh, friend, you know what you took when I be just to me. I come out, but me a friend will book up point. You know, back a sunny, I'm just to me. I come out. On cut as some quadia to Muda, open so Oko for a year, Oko for about all fast. And I'm supposed to say, was I checking crown or between holidays be all I know. Nina, oh, by Babwa. Now, also to me, age now, and I saw you to me. I come out. And see, I'm a quite muscle. Now, many I could bend a question come to Chasina. If you are saying to me, I cost come. And the pay it just so cool and son and come more clumsy. In fact, before I said, yeah, Becassa back door. But me quite muscle many lawyer and question come to Chasina, you know. Then for the old farm blow. So live on Rainbow 92.4. Time check 7 minutes past 9. Now we are saying to me and you come on. And good morning.
Hi, good morning. OPD, I just said, I don't know now, so
Yami adome ho ya papa me jiri se mo so mo ho ya ho obi
Yami adom ya ho ye mumpai bon madaro and pay the chia OPD and Kasa the chief OPD me chia Dr. Mark and Irene Rainbow Radio 4 of UK and Ghana me chia adofo a obabeka ya ho Rainbow Radio DAB
powerful
BWF solicitors Facebook YouTube BWF website Rainbow Radio YouTube, Facebook, and then went to me but was setting it up. I'm more record what all. More with TV so when you know damase. Na no pay say information I had but I critical kakra. But I perceive be bueni na the bit me aye na emma no high too much.
Exactly.
It's a program.
Okay, and Abanasa, that is a young semblance, so Yababa, na Yamawa, with the man. Say the year down Thursday, you didn't share updates, you now feeling Yabatis, topic of the day, Munti, and pay some me jay if you didn't do more. And updates then only a better and pay what I want, not feeling a hoodie.
Your OPD, I'll pay the first of all, you know, war corporate indefinite stay. You know, our corporate British. So what do hoa pacho mention train so? Because law no as from March next year, English a free O level, I call A level. English a free O level, I GCSE, and I call A level. And from B1 to B2 next year, March. All my information since March. But mean test microphone be some question, which means a Ghana for as usual, Yatiakoda.
Yatiakoda and phobia.
Yatiakoda. Enti Umayambo Dero. From March next year, English na and ne for na sebe. Oma intimi anshadan kusku papa cry to me. A pass. Ebe difficult. I call A level English. Mekai assessment. Ebe take you 200 hours addition. I'm away free B1 to B2. And I say we're free A1 to B2. Between B1 and B2, it will take you 200 hours. And it's there every day. Now on that. Every day we there 24 hours. It will take you 9 days. Yes, you know there 24 hours. 8 hours crowd there. What's your 1 hour, 2 hours? It will take you 200 days, which is more than 1 year. And yet, easy, sir, and yet better. Come school, papa, on your degree, call your degree away exempt from English language. On your degree, I must have course, no to be trapped. Even B1 cry, or to be trapped. And to Miss Ramon, we are Ghana na Brofono how. Now went to me and trap next year, March, which means that indefinite to win be that. ube renew 2.5 etua 4,000 ebe san akosoro sa forever. I just said what is 65 years. Enti moma yanhwe ne yi. The other thing me pese me ka fa we ho no. Aya Ghana for a per business aye. Bi mo ho mo ye teacher for. Obi so ho a okọ university ebi o ye English and literature. Wobetimi abie online school kakra because what twi, what ewe, what Hausa, what Nzema ana wo ye expert wo brofum. Wobetimi abie school akyerɛkyerɛ Ghana for ade agye kakra. Wobetimi agiska kakra because 200 hours na what they kyerɛ na there. Not every hour be even ojene £10 times 200. I say 2,000.
Yes,
And I mean, you say what you 2,000. 80, whatever our general. Send your for 10 or 20 or 30. Every month be an hour trauma dia copim say time no best no ma cultural exams na a business a wo ma. Ghana for your opportunities. Way opportunity. Makana a few years ago. Say, sa nneɛma wei na boa mankrofo de be a business. Wohwɛ Indian for normally about immigration. Even so wokɔbɔ nsa ne nneɛma ɛyɛ Indian for business. Ghana nyinaa India for business. Wohwɛ ha, wohwɛ Vision Express. For example, baabi a wobɛfa bi a Indian for na wɔ hɔ. Kyerɛ sɛ Indian for business. Ghana for de mehu yɛyɛ business no. Ti wei yɛ typical example. But on a serious note, no, sɛ wowɔ ha a wonim sɛ woasɔ indefinite stay. Men twentwɛn so. Kɔlɔya hɔ na ɔmfa ntoma. The other one so yɛbɛsesa life in UK no. Ɔmo reviews sia. Every the ɔmo yɛ sia no ɛde akɔ historical information as a current affairs. Ɛno nso ɔba abɛyɛ den. Enti wonnim sɛ wokɔyɛ indefinite stay English ɛna life in UK ɛyɛ compulsory. Na sɛbe Profono papa untimi ntwene papa. Mesra bomodia between and February next year no. Bomodi ne sua de na pass because ebeye difficult. The other one medeba eno no times cry and times atro. Ti yehwe times there are times eka. OPD ayehu kakra. Ma times no. Sesia me ne o kase. Se wo wa ha na we ye maame ana we ye papa na wo ba ye British a wobetimi ayusu wo ba no e de aya asetena me no ka say the new immigration and asylum bill our parliament omo aye first reading go through and pay me kinkan mu ma share ama office for no but me kinkan mu no na emu nya me de Dana eba. One, yase we maame papa na wo gina paragraph 117B eno na egina so ede ye application na ya odi gina so egina wo ba o British so oba watena 7 years and oba wo indefinite yase eba abeye difficult new immigration and asylum bill ayede ko parliament. Article 8. Misremo, Article 8, no, eboa. Last year, 38% of Article 8 for a successful. You bet me a year free. And to ha, okay, money is last year, 34,000 anomaly application. Say, the new law no bar, for 14,000 yes application. Out of 34,000, no, your call for will be one more year successful. More year successful, no, about 38%. Na sanko for 38%, no. More ye refusal, no, de call court, no, emu half, as we need, which means that idea a boa ye nuanom ama omotena UK. Enti si yeba abe pese mu ama na ye difficult. The America chere wa ne se si a law no mba no. Wo ba a wugina ne so, wo yire a wugina ne so, wo yire ba a wugina ne so, ompena ba a wugina ne so, wo be ye parent root, wo ye nana wo be gina onana so. Ana se bibi potin bi wo wabrabo mu a ye be sesa law no. Enti momma mo applications no enko. The ebeba ne se wo ye application na wo se wo yare e bia utirimu ka on kakra first no na ka yehwe ne ama wo asetena ze sia mo ba betwam article 8 no omo be use European Court ruling year 2024 ama omo de abeye what it means ni say enye better to say sisi ye better no ti wonim say wo application be ye o ba wo gina ne so wo yire a wo gina ne so o mpra wo gina ne so o wo ba wo di 7 years wo ha o ye British and I want this finish here men twentwen so ene ya yes application the final one medeba a character mesremo character for both indefinite in the video minim say 2 weeks in mohwe I'm say last time I check in uncle for be 50,000 na ahwe or combine both three now TikTok, Facebook and YouTube was almost over 100,000 on my head but the focus no my head there eba we a nationality character to who nationality no ye hwe technical team my head nationality na ye hwe ade a start April ya etwam until we hwe good character requirement na yenko yenim say the wo surround there fine but yenko immigration yenko baby a yakase be hwe no enti yenhwe aha yenjina OPD first no we are overstay nka woni problem oba illegally ananka wo problem yenhwe asema mo ka wa ha o say immigration breach bia se nipa no se wan when di aha immigration mrana so a ebi ni say oba no we visitor yes member overstay wa be overstay ebi ni say oba no we visitor yes menye adwuma wa ye adwuma ebi ni say yes wuntimi nkoje kwaku bi a ye welfare wakoje bi ebi ni say yes be bonsa yes be report yes bail bra wanko ebi ni say wa mu no ya chewo ma wo di illegal for e ba kromo ha ebi ni say wo ye adwuma o wa ha illegally ba wo ye adwuma ana wo stay ewu ama wo ye adwuma ma ya bechew ebi ni say wo mu wo adwuma e bia wo Ghana restaurant bi ya ba ho abehu say illegal for e ye adwuma na ya ko ase kakra yanko kakra yanko enti aha yanko lawful residence any who overstay sisi a ukoye British citizen ana indefinite stay a bit me affect you ura ha illegally sisi a ukoye British citizenship ana say Britain indefinite stay a bit me affect you ya kasa report ya ma electronic bail ya say lodge online obi aka kire say da bi menye na oya o mbehu ba bi a o meba ba kire wanya anu nso bit me affect you problem I want to say first niema na nka yemfa no seriously no sisi omo di ni nyina be hye character nim ukọ form kakra obehu di America no enti yenjina ha no yanko kakra overstaying aha o say obi ba kromu ha na ya ma no time o wo so de tena ha Uda sa oba ha skilled worker. Oba ha se kun eyire eba ena eja. Oba visit. Oba student. Na yesi wade ni bewu 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Na woman ni wu na ebro 14 days. Ma yehu video dada. We nyomo mo ba ha illegally o. We obi a waba ha legally. Watena ama na ade na wu. I say where wo end the immigration rules no so no wa overstay or say it will normally be appropriate to refuse the application for citizenship where you're for citizenship my year indefinite there and also to say my year video that way aven ye be your video enti say ye hwe from the 24th of November 2016, and no amount 14 days under paragraph 39E. So, see how many cost suitability. Because 39E, they need hobium. First, now 28 days, and about 14 days. Since 2016, I have 14 days. Miss Rao, so when him say, oh, application be ya, may overstay more than 14 days. More mobile illegally there, and ye ni mwasem dada. But since February 2025, Obia Obaha illegally biano. We application for British citizenship and an indefinite stay or make me refusal. And the advice I made them want to say. So when him say Obaha illegally, the next one, your friend, exceptional grounds. I was so sure so be this. Oh, your application for British citizenship. Now when him say one for a person by, when him say overstay and send a year more, 10-year route, I would have been ya. Mr. Oh, your application now. Many application no kwa. Niema we voluntary work ebia we adwuma wo soup kitchen ko hwemrewa ne nkokra timiko kobwa Red Cross Salvation Army and even wa sorry kra no mokoye ye niema bi ene ade boa faka ho ye ko ase kakra ye nko ase kakra ye njina ha almost say overstaying, illegal entry, and arriving without the required valid entry clearance or electronic authorization. In Kolape, Anna, we and find you. But so baha we a penny, you find say we 18 years de cordia. Obaha illegally, Obaha legally, and I overstay, Obaha legally, 1 year application term, your lawyer bisa koye fee waiver, okoye fee waiver. Or one can't just a fee waiver and yet application. Fee waiver and buy and farmer was not the fee waiver too. Now I start to overstay. So Kodawa 3-4 months we overstay. Anything more than 14 days, why overstay? Yanko kakra. Yanko. Enti defense I no any, but most of it apply. If be section 31 defense and here for asylum for. But for most of Ghana for one way apply. And my focus on to yanko near any other exceptional grounds. And absconders, the civil report one qua and also affected yanko. Illegal working, you stay home. So when him say we a student, you see 20 hours, what more than 20 hours, illegal working. We a skilled worker. Yes, so one in Pano on the buy, Rubet Minina full time, Okoya Juma for 20 hours, why more than 20 hours. We are skilled worker, COS ni, Oba who COS a revoke amount 60 days. What's an hour 1 year, what's an hour more than 14 days. Ugusu ye Juma, almost a kawa, we are illegal working, we are British nationality, a be affected, we are indefinite stay, a be affected. Yanko. Yanko kra. Yanko. Enti aha. When maka nyina. So we obi sa di bi chiwa. Ye free bi friend exceptional grant. Ubema omate ase say time a eto wo no say ni. Enti na eto wo no. Why explaining? Wosan ko form kakra ubehu say uwo mma wa ha uyo obi a uba more than 14 years ago and I didn't see maybe our criminal conviction no put a young I know the yen what the NHS car was 38 yeah because what the NHS car more than £500 we are indefinite stay limited leave British citizen they be refuse you I just say why ain't she share when mu nyina eye niema a obetimi agina so ama wode aka say yes eye no correct say mamfa kwa paso ne ba na me ba me overstay o lawyer no twerɛ letter yanko form eka ho a ne nyina etimi boa because lawyers no omunim de ombetwerɛ wo so de ntia me de agu ana wo sa wo so wo kenkan because So one away wa dia also betimi use grounds ya me dia be now what they aka so omo use discretion because so may consider case be on a case by case basis individual character or may assess you be a case no finally yen kwase kra we aye omo a ebi omo criminal conviction rehabilitation period omo ma overstay yen kofom na she say at the aba obi a yama fine and we take it up to 5 years and I say 30 months depending on conviction na the amount fine HOPD we any updater medema obia.
Okay. Anti sanity updater our hona angben ediamaya no and the production the producer no we jamming kwa hana wama mebre mfancha me pa enti angben na de men sembre no memma okwan na afi no what the topic of the day what that was the amen na yaye juma no sere ye no pepepe enti ebusia wo hwe na live on Facebook Rainbow Radio UK so sign live for BWF solicitors on my website and pay streaming media or host live enti join conversation na time kuku mrepam de ma so abno wa so question bi aso tumi akama enti angaba men sambre de and fire to us wa dawo mana
Yo OPD and that topic me buya ne kakra na
okay
emphasis a yede ba no British citizenship.
Okay.
Inti obi a waba kromo ha obae na wamfa kwa paso wodi din foforo na bae ana asa wodi wa wodin ba wo date of birth na asesa bibia ya basa ana obi mu no wodo passport ko tete no nkrofo ba no mo de passport ko sa nkrofo na me focus on illegal entry and a British citizenship. Then a law no say for section schedule 1 of the British Nationality Act. Eka good character, but in defining idea a bad character. Enti yenim bibi a good character, but yenim bad character. But office say schedule 1 now call section 4, section 41 of the 2008 Immigration Act no. I amend schedule 1, section 4. Section 4 a British nationality. Under discretion. Discretion no kyerɛ sɛ aban no ɛwɔ ho tumi sɛ ade no koraa na yɛ se ɛno na ɛbɛma wɔanya British citizenship no a yɛfrɛ no requirement ana eligibility requirement no sɛ wo meet a still na aban no wɔ ho kwan sɛ ɔbɛboa enti wo baa ha illegally a still wobɛtumi ayɛ British citizenship dan na wobɛtumi ayɛ first of all no sɛ na mekaeɛ no good character yɛn define but ɔkɔ section 4.1 section 4.2 section 6.1 section 6.2 ne nyinaa ɛka British nationality for by discretion then ana ɛyɛ bad character maka good character kɔhwɛ home office guidance no almost say good character bad character ɛyɛ biribi a affect usuban ana emma yen gye wontum sɛ woyɛ British ni den na ɛka sɛbe ebia wabɔkorɔ no ebia wako prison ebia ya convicted of a criminal offense ebia wayɛ driving offense ebia wayɛ fraud ebia woyɛ wo nationality application wetwantro ebia wayɛ sham marriage ebia wakɔgye benefits a ɛni sɛ wogye ebia wagyegye loan ne credit cards wabroka egu hɔ bebree wuntua ebia wayɛ bankrupt ebia wayɛ arrangement ebia yɛde sifas atɔ so ebia wakɔgye council flat a wonni ho kwan sɛ wobɛgye ebia wode council tax ɛka a wuntua ebia wohwɛ TV a wuntua wo TV license enti wohwɛ bad character na law no say good character but me make bad character any bibia affect our British for utie British nibia and ne the interim some beto Obama Nigel Farage almost said the old British way of life. Then a British way of life. Now say I'm going football. Ewo America. Na me gina ho no, ye nyina ya sala ye ma na Black Star in England, ye ma break him. Ya sala ya ko use washroom. Na Ghana ni bi, very big man or a big pa. One of the richest men in Ghana. OPD me no gina ho no. Ya sala British for na Ghana for ya sala by 50 ya gina line nim no. Opa ye nyina ye ho anokura. We OPD was
ne popularity ntiana.
Ana obi ka kyerɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ mbɛbɔ o ana osi mbɛbɔ me sɛn. Now, me ma we as example. On a typical day, o feel sɛ ɛnyɛ hwɛ ba ɔmo wɔ queue ni mu ɔmo yɛ British fo nyinaa aborɔfo no no be a complain. Enti yɛ ka sɛ the typical British way of life deɛ yɛ nim wɔ Ghana no ɛnyɛ no ana yɛ ka. Ebi ni sɛn, ebi ni sɛ wo mbɔkorɔ no. Ebi ni sɛ benefit no wo nyɛ entitled a wo nkɔgye. Ebi ni sɛ wo no wo yɛ adwuma, wo yɛ baba a wo yɛ baba shop a wo gye benefit. Enso a wo gye benefit wo yɛ baba shop, wo declare wo tax. Ebi ni sɛ wo ne wo yere te na wo yɛ part-time job wɔ baabi, cleaning ne nneɛma na wo de hyɛ wo bottom na wo ntua tax. Ebi ni sɛ waba ha na yɛsi wo ntimi nyɛ adwuma. Now, every year, be out just 6 months. I don't be try job. Near chill. Ebi ni say, oba ye say, many application we, and then no a refugee. Actually, no you say, no you fee waiver. Ni na chere say, wundi omomra so. To read the law now, good character no. Or see, obia on the British law as so no, or you be a bad character and only good character. Enti notoriety. The case will be a notorious, she said, Oni suban. Ebi anema eye dede wo cancel flat out team. Ebi awaje cancel flat. No asan koto dan, no the cancel flat na high. Ebi o Ghana ni amano cancel flat, ono monti kromu ha. Cancel flat no the high ana ojiska. Enso aban eje no kakra, ono je nkrofo no be double, triple, ana quadruple. Ne ache no. Ana wakoye arranged marriage, sham marriage. And now I an application no wakotwa introbi. Sa nneɛma we nyinaa from April yi omo de abɛhyɛ new guidance notes. Enti wohwɛ the new guidance notes na me de kyerɛ na started April 2026. The enti aba saa ne sɛ case bi kɔ court. Ama aban no lose saa case no. Ɛyɛ about refugees. Wouldn't say make a section 31 exemption because a will be dear draw or home coins or be far coin bonus on our diaba. But benefit J are when you're entitled. When you kum an hour yerite, namu claim single, so we unquan out. Cancel tax, when a bear manatee, and I want one manatee, also say we are single, and I would discount. NHS prescription, when himself when you're entitled to free prescription. NHS claims to say £11 and £19. Now, okwa, Saska will untia, no assign, near show. Sanyama way yina, and the British way of life. Se see only the name yina be go say, se sadi ni be bawa braboma, or your nationality, ye be refusal. And today now, obey. First of all, so won't ya, and I catch you. So wouldn't him say, open British nationality, and ye from another economy, the Mranaso. So who claim benefit when you're entitled jai. So when him say, what could you loans, credit card, would you 10, 15, then no broha, would you capital one, what could you MBN, what could you American Express, what could you loan, would you 5,000, what you 2,000, what you 5,000, Nina, Gabi, I mean, could you loan 25,000. Or so they call Ghana could be in school. Visitor. Or do airport no much. I know who is carrying free in them. But eventually it is kind because bank is a loan. And once a loan, the other call the foul. So I have visitor, or the amano, and a G's kind of man. But these are some of the things, Any typical British way of life. Ebini say, oh yeah, obia, oh create noise. Now I a party, oh want to cancel flat him, or door, and the next door neighbor, a bon. Enti nyuma abebo nyuma nom vodka ne Bacardi sa aye dede sa beka wuntie or report ma cancel. Your friend of noise pollution. Your mouth fixed penalty ebe call record so ebe affect your British nationality. Enti ye nyina ye wa ha se ye nim se ebe British citizenship and indefinite stay. Niema make you for indefinite stay so. But obi wa pa indefinite stay. Although that or illegal no. Ya man indefinite stay. The British winning at all. Munyina no from another corner. Mama yem focus. Yem focus on the British way of life. The America no 2 days ago, Aban introduced a new bill at our parliament. Between Nigel Farage, Reform, Labour, Conservatives, Liberal Democrats, and Independents, BB Koso. The Koso no say obia person chere say sa middle ground na nka omu gina ho a your friend or right of center. Omo gya ho ma obia move akọ right, which means say person omo chere say omo ye tough on immigration. Enti niema na ye taking it for granted no. Se si ane nyina no omo taking it seriously. Enti menua se lawyer be your application amount and obi so your lawyer no your application amount. You're interested in forms now of it. Because bia near bisa say why application be may refusal da. Lawyer no bisa or say there be and so no why bia may refusal da. Omu ho a we twan tro a misrepresentation ye be ban. Lawyer be your application amount. Ye bisa say bia or criminal offense and or any civil judgment and say bibia bisa now they are question or say there be. And so be na o CCJ be 6 na oma ko hu na no so be a problem. The final one Mr. Mopa so we are British citizenship ehu hia say wo issue bi a umbo so da omonche wo da ma lawyer no hu no hwe kwan a ode be fa so na ode atwitwa agye because your exceptional grant, which means that all those as I name I making, nina be foul. Lawyer no bet me, yes, in spite of that, yes, the nationality. TOPD, we, Anna, and ne, the person with the maminian.
We never say the ma union. Now, Obi, the question be the Abrami, TikTok, and no see. OPD bisa Uncle Bema me say no abanasa no efa EU for ho ana say when it cut across obia ho bom bi wadawroma your specific nko for a cop e ma omo ana say we there so far as wo you can nko ade come out wadawroma
OPD o say then I come nkrofo bi
omo new laws omo dey by implementations omo idea ba no yeah, sometimes laws people who no more depart. Yeah, sometimes EU for no. Yeah, almost cancel or more, and so almost cancel out. But Obi say, Abanesa no, it cut across, and I say was specific for come whatever.
We come omo yeah British citizenship. To EU new busiani, EU neighbor, and na eja. Munyina okope British citizens. Yeah. Okay. Because we free EU ako British law. And Katima Obia.
Okay. All right. Katima Obia and tonight say nationality and I say what I say we share with this assembly so sometimes I'm ready to be so and I know she we are still live on Rainbow 92.4 from Yane, BWF Solicitation Command Cabane. I know I help you cover by order Jimmy Annual. And they are not to come more about migration in somewhere or men. In fact, only a bomb come over party. And that thing say baby line out because I am go for a line so cheaper. I am go for line to say, of course, into infinite and idea and room. enti obia eba pick obia call and then eba pick obia call enti yen sha sentem se da be ya wo so call e betumi apeke na ye no akasa ma memfa line ntum na won so frɛ na bisa wo questions na yen fa ni na nka mo 020 822604840 822604840 and our WhatsApp line is 0777 1950989 0777 1950989 020 822604840 and also for na yabaji suni eno atwetwe nkoma na bibia so timi akoma na pay a higher Rainbow 92.4 FM time check 42 minutes past 9 inside the studios of Rainbow 92.4 FM yeah live our Facebook maybe biara or searching and all the streaming platforms in our searching obenya na wotimi actually made it be live but me first call na you know and then the twetwe nkoma na afei yem fa nkoma na shisha so hello good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, on Timin. Good morning. Okay, on Timinka. Good morning. Okay. Pachosa free bimuna. Make sure say me apeko na afi no wati tunkomo. Ba me ko mami san kwanke ben wona afi no me hwe na offer bi so yen so na nkomo no ye de pa. Na fi course the banner the film course the very film. Agben ma yambro hona for bi source me questions ni bi so by
yo questions ni bi wa ha enti
okay
goy lolonya I say the Home Office was taken to court regarding the new character addition for British citizenship application.
Okay.
Has the case been called? If yes, what was the outcome? Yes, the case was called. Omo AABB, your friend consent order, Home Office withdraw decision, but specific to asylum applicants, Section 31, and yet specific to just illegal entry. Sancrophony is specific to Section 31 applicant. And to omo exemption, it is Sancrophone and into amend the Home Office guidance in April. It means obaha illegally. Still no follow under the refusal, but I was someone I would justify it as it will be issued exceptional grant, and answer will be referred to time guidance and say more than 15 years very unlikely some to be used against you. But even if it's less than 15 years, your cases are less than 15 years. In fact, but could be less than 10 years, but it may be possible. Lolonyo asan bisabium. That means that a good character is no longer taking retrospective effect. It is. Enti yehwe time a wode ba ha na ane ye de kan. Enti wo wa ha ene na wo ye application ene na wo ba kromo ha illegally 10 years ago. Of course it affects you. Wo ba ha 5 years ago. Enti we count to illegal entry. Illegal entry always refers to the past, not the future. Enti take a retrospective effect. Obinso Bisa or say, I miss me cry. Okay, Uncle Ben, please. I made an application for my daughter for British passport. I've gone through the interview and I was finally told to provide DNA, which was optional, and I didn't do it. From February till date, I have not heard anything from them. Please, what would you recommend I do? One of the most difficult aspects. Now, let me tell you what's happening. Yes, sir. British nationality law from Nkola, 2015. And he almost introduced you the new section 59A and the new definition of parent, a father. Almost new law no 2015, which means first once a nipa ni din birth certificate nka no ano no but see no aban no betimi abisa other things. Yeah, the Omako court. That I can tell you, we've taken them to court. 3 of the cases we've won. 1, Oma man a British passport. 2, Oma man a confirmation so you're British. The final one a bandra. Me who say Oma man a right of abode. Now the nearma ye use and near be brain because I'm aware say Home Office or intelligence omutie niema yeka enti yen niema you know it's working there anya adwuma na yede court yede judicial review because passport for no sabi omu ade let me put it that way omo ye a law unto themselves because minim some way aware immigration rules and acquisition of British passport are two different rights. Immigration rules no or right. Passport no only right or discretion. Enti yaka bibi friend no His Majesty's prerogative. Ade a kira na se ohen no ope anode ma ope onfa ba. Ohen no pe od pe no nti passport na ohwe no. Sa passport na ohen ne dia.
Yeah.
King Charles passport ayede ma obia wo kromu a aye friend British passport aye ne dia na odi tumi no ama Secretary of State a ye friend Shabana Mahmood nso di tumi no ama the staff a wa employ mo passport office enti ohen ni tumi no ana omo use enti se ohen no nipa na watu na free no se me din a ye friend na wusu yi se na ne ngi me din ho a otimi ka chem se na wusu me ntimi fa passport ma o se na what discriminate against me obeka che o se there be we need right bi as be ma passport ohen no pa no de ma o enti ohen no se me a me gina ho a me ye na dwuma ma no me gina ohen no so aka se udin ni ntimi fa ma o enti DNA nkrofo me ensa se DNA nya compulsory home office say nya compulsory passport office say nya compulsory ana immigration for so say nya compulsory oma ye ma oma twom say men refuse obia because wanye DNA omo say men yem fire some so omo de ombe refuse because wanye DNA enti cases no I'm say either 2 and 3 eco court the other ones no de omo agi atum me hu say ba ku sisi a adopa me ba court na tiska no aye de judicial review me ye confidence be winning because omo nkrofo enta challenge omo but ye de challenge omo enti ohere se wo mpese wo ye DNA a the issue ni say then problem na wo nti a wo mpese wo ye DNA two DNA nye compulsory enti wanye a eye okay but wo bi a e kire say akola no papa no ye ne papa ebi ye den ya ka ho asem amama ye hu video one oba na nyemoye no na papa no won ho ana owo no ho a one maame no wo photo maame no nyema na fu aye kese no one no wo photo ohwe maame no oma ne sika omo communicate omo WhatsApp omo together omo ntia obesra no owo evidence maame no wo no possible say bia no ni ho because awo na e ba e mo kokko itimi ba free mo a enti yes but owu ni wie no oba akola na life menim say Ghana for ye wo a normally bia ye tudin ana say ye kwa sorry mo ye bi owo mfoni nim o dinidin ama midwife ana community nurse ana GP sa niema we nyina no eboa ema wo kase eye reasonable say role na papa ni play wo akola ne life nim no sa role no ekosoro enti na kire say akola no papa no eye ne papa eno ye other factor the final one am a person me can say mumu pi no minim se menka whatever menka mumu pi no omo ye nkola no papa omo ne ma bebre yawo tube say na wasan ama ekina wasan ama adwo the following day wasan ama diza somebody say wasan ama fauzia na wakosan ama akua na nkola no bebre wasan enti why no say contractor enti say oye no bi dia ene ewo issue because first no na omo nkeka omo ho for the past 2 years no omo ka intelligence amemenya ne say almost started from 2015 obi a oba wa British passport ayede man from 2015 mun nyina omo etro time awo ye no say na won ware akola no papa very likely say we could renew akola no passport na ombetro enti say wo sa issue na memma won ko a enkoso Only lawyer nkasa mpacho meka lawyer papa o mpamocho obi o solicitor nyo anaso obi aban ama ne tumi ama ne license onye adwuma we bi menka obi a ono komode na Friday adu opa chop money akoma na yere enti semono a omo ne mu di no obo so waburu bi egu ho na wakoya application na akosai wo de ba yentimi entwitwa njemo bi mu nso wo ho a mo ba kromo ha no mo ka asem aware still sa aware no mungu no enti wo ne British ni wo kra na wo ba no nya British agi say wo register no under section 4 of the British Nationality Act enti OPD issue no baako adubo ahene o say a friend
Call Abia Basu, we just watch a pan.
Okay, and
yeah. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
We the facha me power or papa.
No problem.
Yeah, me sure. Yeah, me sure. So what you say? Uncle Ben, you what young boy.
Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning.
May try be brace me no because by me nya kwenya no, but ne wo send me. We wo me WhatsApp and I'm joining and me nemo e kasa. Me wo issue kasa me ye married me obi by me dependent but ye by no and I was say ye be boy for ye indefinite even me nim bed in for say ono nso nim baby amete me ye say me ne be jai in February no me for ye divorce from Ghana e by but me nya news switch last week na me application wo promo ha ba na me try say nka me no be kasa me nya enti no ne obo a me mai no oye na me yes nka me the divorce chef before me wo divorce certificate no oye no ti promo ha no me nya mfa nko 10 February ninti me nya no married because mo me document mo wa ha married said the be yanko problem in ba nti hono we were contemplating me no married e wo my application me so but later na me say on say me see my divorce February I application last week I am married into make me this February divorce no akọ home office and then ochne akọ declare say me dependent na jaya.
Okay, well, Oyima, first of all, because of Femina and San Camia, I am in Nakakrao. Your office, you were 8 lines. What I realized is, in Crawford frame mobile, and I saw a front office cry, or be try, or be few 1, 2, no, I could press it 3. Oyima, I'm extremely busy, and internet, my employee Crawford, how we are doing. Until from mobile, now for officer, man ko press 3, press 1. Obia befa, ye won crofo officers a waha, ye over 12. And a waha. Apart from that, na ye line no, e ko obia mobile phone so into ni ne desk won kra e ring it. Enti o frame na I was on secretary kasa. And inti na ya employ na. Office line no ewo ho hima.
Oh, okay.
I 0208 493 7340 0208
Okay.
493
Okay.
7340.
Okay.
Ofra mem press 3, press 1. Also person the secretary kasa press 1. Press 1. O press 1 and also be payment number. Now on card the maka. Fa bi din share internet so. O se Bernardo Usu solicitor. Fa share ebe yi me number ma office number. Ofra between 9:30 and 6. Obi no be kasa. But mobile phone obi a person from mobile phone. Because you see, me radio here. Clients me fully booked till 6 o'clock. Lunch crowd money be me office. Lunch break home money be. Until you know say, let me see you na me. After let me jina ho and me didi. Until office, okay? for office. O question no. Sir, why a divorce? I was so update home office. It's one of the requirements. And all those way application, how can I say married? No. So why a divorce? Maybe I won't second divorce in later. Who bet me update home office? Says see why a divorce? Why?
But your date now, what divorce certificate, so yeah, 2nd of February, 2026.
Okay. And now we have application on that way.
May no 22nd of June, yeah.
Anna, what you also married? I don't know, we are divorced, now what you also married?
And then I make us say, we do one and I yet, you know, the main financial because may February, the million pound for home office, intimate details, the watchers say I'm married. May application, na me who the main fire and non show. Na menfa divorce I wasn't getting it clear. Na ma me that.
Oyema ukra divorce certificate February. Where your application June. And then I won't have the show. Anyway, when you are here, we update your more. Why?
Make me the February then update you.
Mpacho, I don't know. I don't know say we divorce. Obetime the update your more. Men ko boka enko ye bibia bi. Why?
Mpacho mat.
Said time what's it?
Na me bisa say make me ama wa boa me wo san finance na me nisu route na enfa en notify omo.
They already notify omo.
Me say make me your link na ye di notify home office concerning divorce. Make me use that link no. Ede February they na notify omo. And I say main contact so ne boa mo kind so na me fa February dey no and notify home office.
Mpacho bunya lawyer say we be your notification. Or application no that's all why now my decision.
On my ama successful ama me dey ama ejuma for no farm mama me start date am the best ejuma.
Nti say woni or dependent na jai na wo person free wa de ne so. If fail online there no na upload the document no. Why? We here lawyer for that. Why we here? Why?
Pacho mate.
Yeah, that's it.
Because of say na actually na me hu say me dey kwa ma ye no married. Say o san so the divorce February the year beba. E be different issue. Nti na me person me advice.
There's one thing BWF yen complicate case. Also the comma will be no who catch any partner say we divorce, still also case married. Yes, sir. Nipa call yes, it's up to him. But what I won't do
lawyer, me colleague.
Yeah, that what the will be now, and American. So can I earlier say what the will be now, Ain't young complicated, I don't know why a bonnet barco, utie beginning now, who try to home officer your offense. I won't try to you. And update it. Why? Lawyer, there you solve problems, you create problems. Why? Okay. Then.
Okay. Yeah, that's a pa and also deal with the buy Yanko Ahumasa. Yanko for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Lapin say.
Yes, Mr. Dumont.
Yeah, the master Pachano up a jaw in the mama and a lawyer tomato and Kawawadoma. Now you
William, me question here.
But what's the anchor?
Yeah, but
Yet you power. I know one more on this one. Now, if you walk one in coming, go for Ginny Chipper.
But me question here. The application it was refused. Na I can say later on may say me IHS fee will be refunded, but me this lawyer said and on my hair this thing and sana the refund is being effected.
Or in a refund now vary between a few weeks to a couple of months. Why?
But what's the lawyer kind of?
But that be on my
Okay, lawyer, it's man, mama, whatever.
Open refund from home officer vary between a few weeks to a couple of months.
okay.
Why?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you're quite much in your next scholar. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good
Yeah.
morning.
Brapping Pacha, what to say?
Akufado, Mr. Android.
Yeah, there was it. Loyalty, whatever.
Me patrol, not the same person I say, my name is by school work and even you say I worry na me na me dependent na me teaching me matter here for 3 years. Na me visa no dependent visa ni do September. Yenyam for divorce and import 2 more. Na na me say me buta say to take me bisa school is something mama me sponsorship na school is so there be name no the media teacher no skilled work into me make me self-employed na ma apply to home office na me na smart around me bisa lawyer say me bisa wo ampa
Or in oh yeah teacher.
but why me by me dependent on me teacher
Okay, and our person will be sponsor on almost a was sponsor.
me person me am sponsor no bisa school no mo say
For teacher.
but me am me patron
I won't even sponsor. Why? I also be sponsor.
should be sponsor okay
Yeah.
okay
Hmm.
Okay, yes, yeah,
Oh.
that's it. Yeah, next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pachamia.
Pacha, I say,
Good morning.
good morning.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Uh-huh. EU family member, me say automatic 5 years renewal. But it take you say answer what update say there. I change it from date to date and I did it.
But your question, who would me repeat it? I say,
But EU
yeah.
presettle. I say 1 year application for extension. About automatic renewal. You know, so presettle may update you another 5 years presettle. Now, I told me this. I say, a bit saying, a do 1 week before expiring date and sana or more efficacy for updating and now we want update 5 years process now after so and now say date in the super pepe and sana on my
Okay, Uncle Baby, you are whatever.
Well, or in automatic by insurance automatic until when you're 5 years, why your application? Why? Yes, it be why, but it be so why, and say about make you know, maybe even 6 months and 1 year crowd before. To me, who clients are almost the aba. Yeah, instead of automatic, and you'll be an or to what time that's one your application. Why?
the patch of Mr. Banner with us.
Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, say message is go on the best of one. You have queen, I say, you are permanent so whatever.
Okay, I'm say message a wohono. I say please, we a double hen. I say please, a friend was invited for an interview and was called off on the day of the interview. Since then, he has not heard from the Home Office. He's applying on the parent route, that is 2.5. It's getting to 2 years. What should he do? The obetimi complaint. Home Office will complaint link or call website and so on. Kwame Labi said, good morning, Uncle Ben. Please, I made an application for my wife and daughter and they were refused. The reason was mainly because they said they could not verify my divorce certificate from my previous marriage. Well, what produce you a divorce certificate? So I want to me and verify a problem and your problem. And so me I appeal, I appeal. Me administrative review, I administrative review. Na challenge you almost say, when I produce you certificate. Omo nkyerɛ wo kwan a nka ɔmo fa so a verify. what exactly normal verify. Almost verify way. And no near reasons on the be refuse why? Because the idea and yes, could be a be refuse. Anna Lawrence Smith. Blacks kicked me out. Was it? I said blacks kicked me out of my homeland in Africa because I'm white, and now demand to become citizen in Britain. They should be kicked out of Europe, just like they kicked the. Okay, Kwesi Bruni, yache oi. Yache, yada was it.
That's some you ready.
Okay. I do boy, ya can't do boy that.
Okay. Question be about Hannah.
Uh-huh.
I'll say good morning, Uncle Ben and OPD. I'll say about 3 to 4 years ago, a friend of was stopped by police and charged with driving with qualification as he had only provisional driving license. He was found by the courts and message so Jesus Christ. A minute. What's up PD? Okay. Okay, and it had a 3 point on the license. She has an indefinite leave to remain as an EU dependent. About 3 to 4 years ago, would this driving license affect citizenship application after all this year? Thank you, sir. Okay, I'm saying no. And Ben, so what's your?
I'm there be air affection but I was said would declare. Air affection but I was so declare.
Okay.
We said Patrick Kusubgo. Good morning, OPD and my Lord Bernard Owusu. What should a dependent whose wife refused to add him to her new sponsorship do? His visa is expiring next week. He doesn't even know her whereabouts. Wow, we didn't hear Kwesi Bruni bachelor. And then wife who name the whereabouts. Mr. Frey lawyer, open for office here. Why? Na ya nchire ode a
okay. Bruni message about WhatsApp, Facebook and so on.
On about Facebook, meaning so
engineer. Yeah, engineers and you maybe say na Martian Tamana way you never so na
I say, how long does a child fee waiver for naturalization? Well, it depends. When you know, so more than photo, but I brought photo na more about Cecilia Chere. I don't know what the brony photo I or status. Names open so Danny Brunio. Anyway, well, it can take as short as a couple of weeks and as long as 4 months. Nina to say, your application now. I was so or bank statements, or pay slips, or your expenditure. Skabia or account may above, I say 150, sometimes say 250, sometimes say 200. Anything above 150 be a make us explain it. We are now the car and check, but what the court no one yet one not a bank statement. Now one cherry the old sika na year or so. I don't know quite we almost say Bissau and Sembebre,
Okay, Mammy pick a call here now, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Patron.
I do not know Pacho once way. Okay, Nana kwa mesa ufono I'm saying from maybe if it's obey stable now. Yeah. And the Gina one body to my whatever.
Me cousin big or by now or by no or to say of now, different Nana.
In fact, I'm wine and for money you're more than a voice and into pass it to one car. Okay, yeah, interesting. Which one? And the animal wine, why not? Yeah, number
me say, mobile, them need baby or banner to baby. Or money baby or be a crazy and on which about 3 years or so. na maybe sɛ nti so ano ɔbaa no kɔ Ghana ɔbɛtumi akɛyɛ divorce wɔ hɔ na ɔde aba na ɔmo update ne record anaasɛ sɛ ɔyɛ divorce no wɔ ha so a what's the way forward ɔbɛtumi ayɛ because ɛsɛ bi baabi kora na bɛrima no ɔbaa no pɛ sɛ oyi bɛrima no fi so na bɛrima ɔbaa no ɛtene no away sama ladies kɔ ayɛ confused na bi sɛ ɔbɛtumi akɔ Ghana ɔyɛ divorce na ɔde aba bɛyɛ anaasɛ ade sɛ ɔyɛ divorce nso wɔ ha ɔbɛyɛ no wɔ ha what's the way forward kɔbɛns no so na wɔtumi ayɛ divorce no meda ase.
Okay, internet is also or ye divorce na or ye divorce concern about who ne partner na na.
And I say because Beman per se only no consent and son with me I divorce no. No bet me divorce without Beman consent and say Beman in them.
Okay. Well, ye divorce na Beman na oba na obetimi aye without possible. Obetumi ayɛ wɔ Ghana, obetumi ayɛ wɔ ha. Ghana yɛ quicker and cheaper. Aha yɛ slightly expensive and it take you minimum of 6 months. Ɛwɔ ha.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But
no problem. No problem.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that's it. All right. That's you know. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Me pacho na mi busa ba na Uncle Ben kan ba the B1 B2 exams no. Na asema mpese mi busa na say oh maybe the me the B1 in the chance here. Na next year I'm due for a afebor no. Nti no so I just say me san kwotro B2 na.
Next year that ben started March, why? Next year that ben now we due.
Oh, it's somewhere around April.
Okay, I started 26th of March, why? And it is we are due for indefinite. Which me apply the 28 days before. And opa before 26th of March.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Young Kofa, young finance scholar. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, we see Yanka, Yanfa way. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Okay, honestly, Yanka. Course in there will have even now that you are picking here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, on Tianka and the young na young corners yene Pamela Kwakasa na fino yan sambla back na who de Angben yeah minim I don't know sisi ade yenya abrofu mi yenya good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, okay. And then the young Mario Minu and then Yabeshe, the only Yabakasa, say Pamela, and I say, back on quite in the same. Yeah, I was keeping it in. And the one on here, I'm Ben.
I am Pamela on there.
And then the Pamela and Cassava, and no one cocoa, I wish me.
David, oh, we need a case, you know.
Oh,
a client,
case,
you know. I'm a client and a cost of £88,000. Yes, a defendant on tier. And Pamela Yard, we need case, you know, the client a car bought case, you know, £88,000. Almost on tier. The expert and in tier scan. A hard a dofwa or more. Anyway, Pamela.
And then Pamela, we are the way we did him when we didn't say, can be also. Let's hear from you, Pamela.
All our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on is British citizenship now out of reach? So, this topic is mainly for the people who entered the UK illegally. So, for instance, you came with a different passport. So, you came with somebody else's name, or you came with your own name, however, maybe your date of birth is different. Or you came with your passport, and after you entered, you took your passport back out of the country. That is considered illegal migrants. You are all considered illegal migrants. You do not come into the UK legally. So if we look at Schedule 1 of the British Nationality Act, it talks about the good character requirements, but it does not define what bad character is. It only talks about the good character. So Section 41 of the Immigration Act 2008, which amended the Schedule 1, talks about British nationality under discretion. So the Home Office has the discretion to give people British citizenship even if they don't meet the requirements of the good character. So even if you don't meet the good character requirements under the discretion, the Home Office can still give you British citizenship. Now, what is bad character? So bad character has to do with your own character. So for instance, if you've committed a crime, you've been imprisoned before, you've engaged in sham marriage, you have taken benefits when you are not entitled to benefits, you have a driving offense, you have maybe a fixed penalty, which is now on your record, you are bankrupt, you've taken a lot of loans and you have not paid back. All of that affects your character as an individual. So that is considered bad character. So from April this year, it has all been included into the new guidance notes. So if you have a bad character, you do not conform to the British way of life, and therefore it would be difficult for you to acquire British citizenship. So please, you should note that even if you don't meet the good character requirement, under the discretion, the Home Office can still help you and give you your citizenship. However, if you do not meet the good character requirements in terms of you are having a bad character, which is you do not conform to the British way of life, you would find it very difficult to acquire British citizenship. So please, if you want to acquire British citizenship down the line, let's say you have gotten your indefinite leave and you want to acquire British citizenship, or you don't even have your indefinite leave yet and you want to acquire that and eventually acquire British citizenship, please start to conform with the British way of life. In that, if you are collecting benefits which you know you are not entitled to, please stop. If you are collecting so many loans and not paying for them, please pay for them. If you know you are not entitled to NHS treatment free, please do not go and get treatment for free, because then you'll be owing the NHS, you'll be owing the government. If you know that you are not supposed to get maybe council accommodation or something, please do not go and collect it. For example, maybe you're also living with your partner and you tell the council that you are single, so your council tax is reduced. That is also wrong. That affects your character. So please, if you want to get British citizenship, please conform to the British way of life, or else you may not fall under the discretion, which the Home Office will be able to then help you to give you your British citizenship. I hope this helps all of us today. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Pamela. Yeah. Na fi yanko Uncle Ben wana. Yani Uncle Ben nko yeno kwa na fi no. Yeah, so you so. Uncle Ben, afi my member who na yenwie yan so na ye hu the would be church wa me wada wona.
Yo OPD ene ade a yedi twam ane se ye boye nuanom kokko. De nti a ye boye nkokko no se nema esesa ana ebi nso asesa. The SSA English language den from B1 to B2 by next year, March, 26th of March. Ebiom parents are mujina moye mumaso and couples are mujina moye so yes is overstay na wo ba wa hakra na first nka ye easy ebeye tough kakra sa law no parliament is here. And the final one no musramo unim sa wo British citizenship. Na when you're indefinite started na ye ehon hyehyɛ from Sitia because nema esesa ti OPD we anam di beja nti sɛ ekyire bi wo person frɛ officer OPD the number no ebema mo na wafrɛ.
Okay. Ankman yɛda pa na abena obenowa asantua in fact nani agye papa Pamela Emini case nani agye pa obona abaso Facebook up anti abena also PD me kwa do minyan kama ye lawyer abena mpa ho ka wetimeti me sponsor no akwa lawyer bibi abe kama okay ebusia hana mne ma kwa de jimadi ni asi ebusia sada medin kan kan no yani BWF solicitors na ye no mo twem ko rank ben and na pay no yana no twem ko no no wonder say ban lawyers are more UK Ghanaian communities lawyers are what on you just name them omunyina omafa ni nsemu enye asam ketu anti de be kare se nyame nshira ben na onkoso arrangement pa na oye de support Ghanaian community no so no onkoso onye na sa men pepepe na yakopon enkoso enshira anti ebusia ye de ni AC ha medin de na atoto jego OPD the second me na metena konyuma ye de medin bam na me kanfo ye BWF solicitors de amo say na no pay say wo pese won krata agene na atoto se Pamela Dibi akokot kura akodim kunimi also pese wo de ne yedim kunima the right way ni say wo de be call BWF solicitors na ya boa na won so tumi edim kunimi na for the powder na woma ye tofi Ghana brown wo de ne egu so na tese kunima ya den aba ntana pehwehwe ye kira akwan awo 4th floor Annan House 214-218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters your postcode N15 4NP N15 4NP Bombardi has over in the office like 020 8493 7340 020 8493 7340 emergency line Shannon Mami 077 1276 1884 077 1276 1884 Bombardier frame na yambo na won so tumi gina wona se sansa wo gina wona so na me sumi gina me na so na me ni geno eden eba ti Bombardier na woni Uncle Ben and the chon komo no onbo na won so tumi gina wona so BWF solicitors man bank ye be de ni na ye de eno so ede amamo ti busia ye ko na ye ko e meka o se nyame adma Saturday BWF solicitors eba on Facebook or YouTube or on TV no on baso the education and so the Bible church mu ntimi so na Saturday so no ahya so na wotumi ene omahia na wotumi aboa de nkoma yentumi antwetwe na na say e bia question be wotumi mi se na nan ya me adma Saturday lawyers in the bar no we be so no wotumi so aboa na bia so wotumi come nti ya me sure so wotumi join the conversation no aha ene edc na ye kɔ no na say Unity Link adawroma ana mo so ya sen ede dwumedi ni ede bro na bomodify Unity Link saniska kofi na ho ento na bibia so ntumi akwa na yɛmfa sika mane post yɛmfa sika nyɛ mane obi mane mfa nkom ni ya sɛ Unity Link adawroma wo de sika mane a ɛkɔ asomgye mu bibia so etumi ɛyɛ kama bomodi na wona Unity Link endi dwuma na bibia so ntumi akama sɛ busia wanti yɛnka bi nyame adoma next week yɛbɛsɛ ahia BWF solicitors yakramo na nyame adoma next week yɛbɛsɛ ahia yɛre mate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.